welcome back to my channel. Today again we are hitting the road on a sun-kissed adventure from Bangalore to Goa, the land of endless beaches, vibrant nightlife and Portuguese charm. Join me as we navigate the winding highways, soak in the coastal breeze and explore hidden gems along the way. Get ready for a ride packed with breathtaking views, thrilling escapades and memories that will last a lifetime. We rode out of Bangalore's urban jungle, leaving behind the honking horns and skyscrapers for the open road. We started from Bangalore around 5:30 am, took the Dodaballapur-Doddabaspet highway, then to Tumkur, Chitradurga, Shiggaon, and from Tadas we took the Ghat road to Goa. We didn't stop too much at the road, only except for the lunch break, which we took only before 40 kilometers reaching Goa. Just a thing to note here is when you drive through the forest road, be mindful of the speed limits. Otherwise, lots of police on the road with speed tracking cameras to fine you for that. I have crossed the speed limit by just 10 km per hour and they fined me 1000 rupees. Not a good start though to reach Goa, but our spirits went high when we reached Baga, beach paradise buzzing with energy. This was our lunch stop and we had a good thali over here. The cost was though 150 rupees per plate and the food was sufficient and tasty. If you take another extra bowl of sabji, they will charge you rupees 10 or 20 based on the sabji. Just to let you know, we reached Baga before 4 pm and took a beachside hotel, although parking was not available there. I had to park my car in the common parking area, which was just in front of the hotel. We dive into the vibrant shacks, sample fresh food by the shore, and feel the sand between our toes as we watch the sun dip into the Arabian Sea. As the sky turned orange, we joined the electrifying party scene, sway to the pulsating music, and let loose under the starlit sky. We finished our dinner with these veg noodles and paneer manchurian, along with this cold coffee, which was very refreshing and soothing. Baga is not just about sunbathing, it's also famous for thrilling water sports, parasailing high above the waves, and kayak to the secluded coves. After finishing our bath in the Baga beach, we headed towards the Anjuna, a beach with a chilled out vibe. We rummaged through colorful flea markets, searching for hidden treasures and soaking in the hippie spirit. Here we found some people approaching us for a 1 hour long boat ride and released the serene sea view throughout the tour. They were charging around 2000 rupees for that and they were promising that if you are lucky you can observe the dolphins playing and diving in and out of the sea. After Anjuna, we went to Chapora Fort, where Bollywood painted a canvas of love and betrayal in Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. From the ramparts, we marvel at the panoramic views of the coastline, feeling like history whispers to the ruins. We had to climb a bit of stairs to reach the top, but that is part of the fun that we were going to encounter later.
So you know, ain't never let You're mine for sure.
Best time to visit this fort is early morning and late evening. Otherwise, be prepared to get scorched in the clearing sun. We had lunch at a local restaurant called Big Fish on the way to Arambol from Chapora. We had fresh shurmai and bangra. This was the fish sambar. This is clams curry. It was tasty. This was some curry vegetables. And this is soul curry. And this gulab jamun, papad. And there comes the shurmai fry, rava shurmai fry. This is very tasty and fresh. And there is rice little bit, and the bangra comes here. Yes, there comes the bangra. This is also rava fry. This is also very tasty and fresh. So we enjoyed the meal and then again headed towards Arambol. But sadly, there was no parking space over there, so we had to return back. And just 2 kilometers back, there was this beautiful beach called Mandrem. And Mandrem was surprisingly good find and became the highlight of the tour. The beach was very calm and peaceful, not very crowded like Baga or Kalangut. After spending some time on the beach, we checked in the nearby Sea Paradise Hotel, which was having a cottage theme. The whole place was decorated nicely, and there was a stream flowing in front of the hotel, and little wooden bridge over it which connects the hotel with the beach. In the morning, we watched the sunrise and then took a long walk across the beach, and after that had a nice bath in the sea. Returning to the hotel, we had a shower and then a delicious breakfast followed as we got hungry after our morning walk and swim across serene Vendrem beach.
Baby, 지금 우린 함께 할 수 있을까? Baby, 네 눈을 보면 알 수 있을까? 너도 내 맘과 같았으면 좋겠어. 네 조금 느린 발걸음이 나는 좋았어. Barefoot, barefoot, take off your shoes and step in the bed. Barefoot.
Finishing our breakfast, we headed towards South Goa or the Old Goa, where history awaited us and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. We wandered through the ancient churches, their baroque architecture, whispering tales of colonial grandeur. We also saw the body of Saint Xavier, not the body actually, but the photo of the body, where it has been shown that the body has been not decomposed. The body has not decomposed till last 500 years, and coffin of Saint Xavier. We also visited the archaeological museum here, where many relics of old temples has been preserved with great care. After the church visit, our plan was to stay near Panjin cruise area. As we passed through this sea cruise area where all the crews leave during the night and the casinos also lined up here, I was trying to find a good hotel, but due to the too much of crowd, I was not able to search a good hotel here. So I have to move a little bit ahead towards Miramar, and I found a good hotel near the Miramar beach. It was called the Savera Guest House, and it was really nice hotel. And the location was also very good. So we checked in the hotel and got refreshed. And as it was afternoon time, we felt hungry and went for a lunch in nearby restaurant called Dudhsagar. We had squid chili, rice, and a Goan dish called chicken zakuti. Chicken zakuti was not that great, but okay, just to have a flavor of the Goan cuisine, we tried it, and overall the preparations were good. We are satisfied with the meal. After finishing the meal, we headed towards Dona Paula jetty.
I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah,
Dunapola is one place where you can spend the full evening watching the endless horizon and the waves hitting the rocks. It's so peaceful and serene at the same time. You can just sit over there and relax. That's it.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't.
This is our cruise, which was called Paulo Cruise, and we reached here by 9 p.m. in the evening. And our cruise timing was 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. in the midnight.
Don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too serious.
Upon boarding of the ship, we were greeted with this starter, chili chicken and chicken pakoda. And there were some complimentary drinks as well, some soft drinks and some Goan feni and some beer. Other stuffs were also there. So only 2 complimentary drinks were allowed. People can choose their own and enjoy the evening.
Seriously, I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
Live music drifts through the air, a soulful blend of Portuguese melodies and traditional Konkani tunes. Couples sway under the starlit sky, while others share stories and laughter, the Paulo Sea transforming into a stage for shared joys.
So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
As the stars take center stage, the night culminates in a mesmerizing performance by a Goan dance troupe. Their vibrant costumes and energetic steps tell stories of folklore and ancient traditions, leaving us spellbound.
Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
10:30 in the night, we were served dinner with veg biryani, chicken biryani, then payasam, chicken curry, two different kinds of chicken curry, and chapati, and, and many other items were there. And after that, the dance floor was open, and DJ was playing music, and people were dancing to the beats. We reached our hotel around 12:40 in the night and then just slept like a baby. Next morning, we had another tour plan. On our way back to Bangalore, we detoured to the majestic Dudhsagar Falls, their milky waters cascading down moss-covered rocks. A trek through the verdant Mollem National Park leads us to this hidden gem. We embark on a jeep safari, spotting playful monkeys, exotic birds, and maybe even a shy deer. Took a nice bath and swim in these cold waters of Dudhsagar Falls. The water was gushing like with full force, and it was amazing to just stand below those falling waters. It was just falling with full force, and it was just pulling you away from that area. Many a times I tried going under the falls area, but the force was just too much. I was not able to breathe properly even. As we are returning towards Bangalore, our hearts are filled with memories of sun-kissed beaches, vibrant shacks, ancient churches, and the roar of Dudhsagar Falls. This road trip wasn't just about ticking places off a map, it was about connecting with the rhythm of the coast, feeling the sand between our toes, and losing ourselves in the beauty of Goa. Until next time, happy travels.